the last few days has come to an end, snapping the longest rally since December. For more on what's going on in the crypto market, I'm joined by our editor-at-large, Corey Johnson. So, Corey, walk us through the day and where the momentum is going.
Well, we don't know who the buyers and sellers are, such as the nature of buying and selling. But I think what we've seen is a bounce off the bottom. You can see it from a sort of technical basis, whatever the heck that means. But the trading in these things, we're certainly in a free fall in cryptocurrencies across the board. And as we've talked about many times, they were all trading in lockstep with each other, despite the important differences between the different types of cryptocurrencies, all trading together, all kind of getting a bounce. But I think we've seen a little bit of a separation between the different kinds of currencies over the course of the last week, and you can see it in the pricing of those different cryptocurrencies.
Right, and talk about how the other cryptocurrencies are tracking relative to Bitcoin.
They've separated a little bit. I mean, yesterday you saw a big bounce in, for example, I think Ripple at one point was up over 20%. Bitcoin was up a fraction of that. Today you saw a turnaround together today, but I think that there's a little bit of a separation showing up in these.
What's driving that?
Well, who knows? I mean, the notion of speculation seems to be coming in the wind coming out of the sails. The steady stream of ICOs rushing, of companies rushing out to create new coins that seem to have no purpose, rhyme, or reason, except for the few that did. And I think that there's a growing recognition of what we've talked about, which is that some of these technological solutions actually have a purpose and a point. The others that are just a store of value or a way to speculate are looking more and more silly. And I think some of that speculative steam has been taken out of the market. We're starting to look at these companies as different from each other.
Meantime, Japan's coin check, which had frozen with.
So yeah, I mean, we are hopefully seeing a recovery. As you can see in this graph, that we did take a dive. I mean, the lowest point was Monday, February 5th, and there was a pullback, obviously, from Friday's highs, but it does look like for Valentine's Day, there might be some love in the crypto community, and I'm pretty bullish on cryptocurrencies long term. Obviously, it's very important to realize that the only coin that I like as a store of value long term is Bitcoin, maybe some other coins in the future, but the rest, they do need to have a tangible product, and you do got to watch out for one of my favorite terms is shit coins. I mean, there are shit coins that I think as this market gets smarter, as there's less and less speculation, more regulation, more smart money, and big Wall Street firms that are coming in and investing, you're not going to be able to make money creating a bunch of shit coins. So be careful when you invest. I mean, for me, I like to stay in the top 20. Obviously, there's less risk, so it is a conservative way, but I don't think it's bad to maybe take 5 or 10% of your portfolio, and hopefully you don't hit all shit coins, you get some good ones, but I do feel like there's going to be a rebound, and this is a great time to get in if you haven't got in. I think you're much safer because now some time has passed and there's just been more and more positive news. Obviously, you're not buying at the lows anymore. You are buying, now Bitcoin's over 9,000. So if you do get in, there could be a correction. It could go back down to 6, but my long-term view on Bitcoin by the end of the year is 25,000. So I think you can't really go wrong with any of the Coinbase coins. I also highly recommend checking out Robinhood. I have it on the bottom of this page on YouTube if you click on the YouTube link. But Coinbase is a great way to pick up the stable coins, and if you haven't signed up for Robinhood, it's no fees, and they're going to be adding cryptocurrencies. So I love Coinbase, but I don't like paying fees. So I think Coinbase and GDAX have their purposes, but I would also highly recommend picking up Robinhood and not just putting all your money into cryptocurrencies, but having some balance between crypto, stocks, and if you have maybe some other investments as well. But let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you're watching this on Facebook, please like the page, and I will talk to you guys soon. And happy Valentine's Day, and if you have a chance, check out the website Kwai Crypto. I think your significant other would love some cryptocurrency free animals. So if they're not happy with you and your obsession with cryptos, maybe you can give them a gift to turn them around on Valentine's Day. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you soon.